Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the I sound. Here, you can see that it's made with 2 letters. Let's take a look. 1 and 2. Remember we said that separate, they have different sounds. But when we put them together, they hug and they make one sound. I. Excellent job. Repeat please. I. Good. Remember, we said it was a long sound. All right. Are you ready to sing the song? Remember, we have to salute our captain. 1, 2, 3. The captain says aye, aye. The captain says aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain says aye, aye. Now remember, we said that the song says it 2 times, but we only need to say it 1 time. Aye. Good job. Are you ready for some words? Of course. All right, let's take a look at this first picture. What is this? It's a tie. Excellent job. A tie. So, what's the first sound in tie? Good. Good job. Here it is. All right. And sound number 2? I. Excellent. I. Tie. Good job. Okay, now it's time for the next word. Yummy, yummy. What is this? Good, it's a pie. Excellent, a yummy pie. So let's put that right there. And what's the first sound in pie? Good. Here it is. Okay. And sound number 2, I. Pie. Good job. All right, and time for one more. What is this? Remember we said it had 2 names. One is dice, and the other one? Die. Excellent job. Excellent job. So, what's the first sound in die? Good. D. Excellent job. Here it is. Good. And sound number 2, I. Here it is. D-I. D-I. Die. Good job. Excellent job. Repeat, please. I. Excellent. See you soon.